Adekunle Omodayo. I won't lie, without a doubt, this is actually one of my best decisions ever in my life. Coming to LuvBeing World to learn data analysis, and hopefully, unfortunately, I don't have much time here left in Bundi. I will have learned to learn more courses, but surely, for sure, I really enjoyed my stay, and I really enjoyed our lecture, our people. Overall, I will rate it 9 over 10. And very effective, I won't lie. Yes, very effective. At least it's not just even based on data analysis, even all around the world in our life. I will surely make, even on the phone today, I have surely inform people on how they can actually come around to come and learn one or two courses. The teacher giving us opportunity to actually ask when they ask those facts. I think I love it. When you don't know it, you give us room to ask and also to understand more where they are lacking. I think I love that part. Yes.